you told me.
Ujoma.
Mama.
Uchedu. Ever since your father, my husband, died, and your uncle Uzo collected everything from us because I do not have a male child, I have not stopped struggling to take care of both of you. If a widow like me, but I will not stop trying. I will continue. This morning, I went to that our plot of land to clear it and wait for the farming season, only to find out that it has been fenced.
Fenced?
Fenced. Your uncle Uzo sold that land and sent his daughter to America. To Obodo Oyibo.
Mama, I have said this before, and I'll say it just this once more. Let them have it. Whatever they want to take, let them take. One thing I know for sure is that God will not allow us to be mocked.
Amen.
And I know myself, I am going to work hard. Why do you talk like a child? How can we let them take all Papa's property? What about us? You want to go and fight Uncle Uzo? Okay, go now. But as for me, count me out.
You don't fight your uncle. I know that God is always there for us. He will not allow them to mock us.
Mama.
He will not. He will not. Oh. Me. More.
Mama, not now.
Ah.
Mama, it's okay. Everything will be okay. You know my stand on things like this. Please, not now. Mama, it's okay. Everything will be fine. Mama, please, I'm coming.
Okay. Oh.
Everything will be fine.
It's not for both of you. It's not for both of you. Yeah? Ah. Sisi Goli. So, you can go. Yeah. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Isika. Daluso. Isika.
Mama, welcome.
Thank you. Hey.
Mama. I don't want you to worry yourself about anything. Not even about Papa's properties. Everything they took from you, God will replenish it.
Amen.
Like I said before, I am going to work very hard. They mock you because you do not have a son. But I will show them that I am a son and a daughter, 2 in 1 child. Anything a male child will give you, Mama, I will give you more.
Hey. Ogugu amobi. Nwa mobi nne. Nwani bi ife. Dalu nwa. And God will answer all your prayers. So
I don't want you to worry yourself about anything.
Mamazin, I will not.
Also, I have decided that I'm not going to write JAMB again.
Mbakwawu. You go to school.
Mama, that would be a waste of time to me. And a waste of resources to you.
But I'm not complaining.
Mama, school is not for people like me. This my brain is blocked. No. I have made up my mind to fully go into sand business.
Here!
There is money there.
I'm just thinking.
About what?
Thought to raise money to start my own salon. I discussed with Ushi about taking me to get loan to start my business. But he said it's not a good idea to start business like that.
Why?
He said it's a bad idea. That the interest rate is high and they will mount pressure on me.
He's not far from the truth. Because I remember how they almost gave us heart attack when we borrowed money for Papa's burial. So, what he's saying is true.
So what do you suggest I do?
I'll talk to my Oga when I get to the office tomorrow. I'll ask him to give me a non-interest loan and be taking it small from my payments.
Are you sure he will do it for us?
He's a good man, so if he has, he will do it. I know. But how much are you looking at?
About 300,000 or 350,000.
Okay.
Ushi, God is going to bless you. God will bless you with a rich and a good man. Thank you so much.
It's okay. Stop worrying yourself. Are you even eating?
We need wait though.
Oga, see rain don dey fall, time na money. Time na money oh.
I know. The money we say they sent for this he never enter. And we need we not come up for here without money now. Hey, you even get waiting follow me talk that time. Say you won't discuss with me. With that.
Oga, abeg, I wan make you borrow me money for my sister. E don reach 5 years wey she learn hairdressing salon. And since then, she's been working for people because my mother could not raise money for her to start her own hairdressing salon.
You don't do your face like this. I know say na money you won't ask. But you know as Nigeria be now, things dey hard for now.
Oga, okay, just borrow me. I go pay you back. Or if you dey collect am small from my own money, abeg.
Oh, this kind of thing. Don't be like say I no wan help. Okay, how much you even need, sir?
Na 400,000 naira.
400,000 naira for this regime when we say we dey pay so.
Just dey collect am from my own money small.
Well, make I see wetin I fit do. 400k, no be small money o. Plenty well. Make I see wetin I fit do.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, now make I go check na whether they don get alert.
Ijeoma, come. Ije! Where's your daughter, Ijeoma?
Ije, baby. Guess what?
I can't guess now. Tell me.
Again.
That's 400,000 naira. Mama, for your shop and some equipment. Mama,
Ije!
God bless you!
Hey! care of your sister and I. God will bless you.
Amen.
You are the true daughter of your father. On again, Mologe. Make you go see Ale. Mama! What you give you? Doka no doka nylon. Doka go dia doka. Doka for nylon. Go kanku.
Nah, you just stand up. Don't do
Nchemwam. Ya no anybody. Hey, ogede.
I know what you do now.
What do you want?
I prepare my best. Give me good food to eat.
I will try so that I will do more. Let me carry.
Chedo, can we go somewhere quiet and talk?
Here is quiet enough.
It's alright if you say so. Chedo, I'm going to be straight. I'd like to go straight to the point. I don't want to beat around the bush.
Better, because I am in a hurry. I need to rush back to Riverside. We get supply this evening.
It's alright. Chedo, if you look at me, you know I'm blessed. God has blessed me so much. There's nothing in life I want that I cannot afford. You know? I'm well traveled. I've been around the world. I've seen a lot of things. What I'm trying to say is I'm exposed, you know. And looking at me, you can tell I'm good looking, yeah?
Nobody go argue, Amo. You're a very good looking man.
Thank you. You see, the thing is, I'm actually looking for a good woman, a hard-working woman, a woman who I can call my wife, a woman who will be a role model to my children. All right, a hard-working woman.
You're right.
I see all those qualities in you. I want you to be my wife, Angela.
You're joking, right, Soga?
No, I'm not joking. I'm serious about it. I want you to be my wife, and I want you to just think about it, okay? And then get back to me.
Oga, I don't fit into this your description of what you are looking for in a woman. But I have someone you will like. My sister Ijoma. She is very homely, a very good girl, hardworking. She even owns her own hairdressing salon. Trust me, you will not regret marrying her. She's my own flesh and blood.
This is exactly what I'm talking about. You're already fighting for your own sister, trying to get her a good husband. Well, the truth is, it's you I want, Nchida. Okay? Think about this and get back to me. Okay?
I need to start going now.
It's alright if you want to leave. But please, think about what I just told you.
I'll do.
Alright. Bye, Nchida.
Uche, have you given it a thought?
Mama, this man is very rich. I heard he owns companies and houses everywhere. I'm scared, though. I don't want rich men wahala. It's better I remain the way I am. Big man, big trouble.
That's a very, very wrong impression. Have you considered maybe God brought him to you to help us? After all, we do pray for God's blessings every day, and this might be the blessing we have been praying for.
What if the devil wants to use him to destroy my future, God forbid? Because of all the girls he has seen all over the world, he's the one that packs sand, supplies sand he wants to marry. I even told him about you, John Mao.
And what did he say?
He said it's me he wants to marry. And I don't want to marry before Ijoma. Because I heard when your younger sister gets married before the older one, it takes time for the older one to not get married. So I don't want to marry before her.
Uchendo, we may be from the same parents, but our destinies are different. What if this your marriage brings me luck? Uchendo, please, don't worry about me. Get married. When my time comes,
I will.
Nem, make the haze while the sun shines. Hmm? As we go into praying and fasting, because of this very issue. So, I know this, I made a lot that.
You know the most confusing part, Mama? This man does not know anything about me and he wants to marry me.
Hey. My dear, men recognizes what they want when they see it. They know who to play with and who to be serious with.
She's right. Because when it comes to marriage, real men knows real women when they see them. Not look so. Forget it, you might be packing sand, but he saw something, no way hold you. So we're going to prayers over it.
So,
please.
Yeah, Mama, thank you very much. Now I've seen where she got the beauty from.
Hey. This one, she looks like her father, not me.
Oh.
And she reminds me of her father every day. She's resilient, persistent, and hardworking.
Yes.
She has a very strong spirit.
She's a very good girl.
Yes.
You did a very good job raising an amazing woman like this in a society like ours. So many girls out there are gone, Mama. They are terrible.
It's God. It's God. You know, before I used to think that children turn up the way they bring them at home. But nowadays, even children from good homes decide to shame and disgrace their parents. So if you see the one that is well trained, it's not human being, it's not their parents, it's God.
Yeah.
You're right.
You're right.
I would have loved her uncles to be part of this meeting, but they are not around.
It's all right. I just came here to introduce myself to the family. I would go back, prepare with my people, come back here to see her and do the proper ikwaka as tradition demands.
Yes, this one is Nchedu's elder sister. Her name is Ijoma.
Oh.
The one I told you about.
Oh, hey Joma, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Nchedo told me that you're hairstylist.
Yes, I am.
And that's good. Maybe one of these days you fix my hair for me. It's alright.
Mama. Hi! Mama, this man is God sent though. Hey! I've always known that Uche will make us proud in this family.
I am so happy. He is not only rich, but humble.
Oh, Mama.
I like him. And for that young man, you make a good son-in-law.
Yes, so Mama. Mama, do you know since I was born, no one has ever given me 100k as a gift?
No. This is the beginning of a new thing in this family.
Hey! Mama, when I was coming, I saw him. He told me to my face that he's not coming. That he's not ready to listen to nonsense. He does not even have time to listen to nonsense. That he has more important things to do.
Just don't mind them all.
That man is very wicked. That man is wicked.
Hey! Hey! Oh God.
God is going to.
Are you okay? What?
Nothing, Mama. I'm just thinking about what we discussed.
Someone is downstairs. She came to see you. She said her name is Mary.
Oh, Mary. Okay. Oh, I see.
I am calling you. So you want to walk out on me when I'm talking to you? I don't understand. Eh? Please give me the money I asked you for. Ha! I don't have time, I beg. Ha!
Do you know you have a problem?
Me?
Yes, you have a serious problem, but you're yet to find out. Your problem is that you have never in your entire life earned money. Yes, and that is why you think money is served a la carte. No, it's not. I leave this house, I go to work, I work 24 hours every day to make sure I keep my family running. What do I get in return? Nothing! Absolutely nothing!
Oh. So because I asked you for cheekily some more money, just some more money like this to use and buy jewelries, gold jewelries, and look like all these big women in town. That is why you're calling me a liability.
Small money. That's what you call it.
Before Uncle, it's small money. How much is the money?
Rocky, you are learned. You are literate. So why don't you go out there, get yourself a job, earn your small money, take care of yourself. I am tired. You're supposed to be a helpmate to me. We're supposed to build this empire together, not the other way around.
Oh, really?
Yes! The only thing you know how to do is money, beg me money, give me money, money, evening, money, night, money.
Mba, what am I going to beg you? No, I don't understand. What am I going to beg if it's not money? So if I wake up in the morning, I will dress up and say, hey, baby, Mba, let's go to a tailor. Let us go and make clothes and go to a burial. Let's go there and cry and eat rice and come back. Is that what I should be telling you? I don't understand. I don't understand. I should not ask you for money. Mba, I should ask you for paper. My dear, if you don't have work, go and buy POS. And start doing POS. POS will give you quick money. Anytime I ask you for money, they give me sharp. Oh. No, they tell me that kind of nonsense. Oh. It's you that is mad.
Very true.
You're very senseless and selfish. Unyawa. Don't fail checking. If you're going out and there's nothing you're doing, go and do POS. So, shameless man, go and do POS. It's your mates that are doing POS. And stop telling me you don't have money. At least with POS, you're having money every day. No, I'm a waiter. I came to this life to suffer. Every time I'll tell you, give me money. Money is a problem. You must give me that money. You want me to go to burial? And every day I'll be going to burial and be crying. Hey! Rubbish! Nonsense! I'm not going to this life to suffer. Oh. When you come back, you meet me here.
You're lucky. So tell me, is this really your husband's house? Or what? Maybe you're helping the real owner take care of it now. You know, these are our brothers abroad. It's my husband's house. Is it because of the Keke business? Yes, now. I can't place it. Well, that one is side hustle. Although, my husband does not like it. And before you came, I was thinking about it. Yes, because no man in his shoes would imagine it. Well, I am giving it a serious thought. So, how are things with you and your husband? The load is too much on me. And you know they say, an idle mind is the devil's workshop. All my husband thinks about these days is how to make quick money. And it scares me. How? I want you to help us with one Keke, even if it's for higher purchase. I want him to get busy. Let him just do something like other men, so he can help himself. Well, let's say you came at the right time. He can have my own Keke, and I'll give it to him at a lesser amount. Chidu, thank you. I knew I could count on you. God bless you. Amen. Thank you. You just have to bring him over to sign the agreement and then he can have it. That's my problem at all. I'll bring him. I'll make sure everything goes smoothly. Thank you. What do I offer you? Anything. Anything is nothing. You know what? Let's go to the kitchen. Let's go. My house, my kitchen. Perfect. I'm coming.
You mind sharing this with me? This is all about?
It's about my wife. That woman is driving me crazy.
That's actually the nature of women. At least I have one at home, so I know. I've been there. Yeah?
You don't understand what I'm saying. Your wife is far better than mine. No. If I am married to your wife, I can manage her character. But, bro, you need to see what I am passing through at home. My wife is nothing to write home about. She does not contribute anything. All she know how to do is go on social media, search for the most expensive clothes, jewelries, shoes, name them.
Relax, bro. You've got to relax. Okay?
Bro,
Relax.
this is getting out of hand. Guess what is causing problem at home now?
What?
She requested I give her 570,000 naira to purchase the jewelry she saw online. Someone that her parents are languishing in the village. Do you know the funniest part of it? A few days ago, I just promised her brother that I was going to give him some money to start a phone accessory business. That is going to cost me 5 million naira. 5 million naira, and this girl is requesting for 570,000 naira from me.
Relax, bro. Relax. Ruki has always been a classy girl, and you know that.
I know, but of course we're married. I thought I could change her. I thought I could change her in marriage.
You see, one life lesson I've learned over the years is never marry someone with intentions to change them after marriage. You can never change anyone after marriage. Trust me, bro.
That's where I was
Never.
wrong. That's where I was wrong. So am I going to kill myself? How do I handle this situation? How?
You have to relax. All right? You need to relax. Okay?
I am relaxing, but I don't know. Do you know I don't even like going home after work? Again, I prefer hanging around than go home at night.
I guess a few bottles of beer would do the magic.
Come on, baby. You don't have to.
No,
Right? I'll be
come on.
fine.
Come on. You know, I know somewhere very nice. Just drive behind me and I'll take you there. Drive behind me. It's not the end of the world, bro. Let's go.
Okay. Okay. Obi. Please wake up. I need to talk to you.
Why this time?
Yes, I promise I won't take much of your time.
What is it you want to talk to me about?
I went to visit my friend Nchedo.
I told her about you.
What about that? I don't understand.
I asked her if she can help us with a Keke. And then she promised to give us one of our Keke for hire purchase, even at subsidized price. I just want you to do something so you can earn money for yourself and so the workload will just reduce on me.
Is that all, Mary?
Yes. All you have to do is just go to her place and then we'll sign agreement.
Please go to bed, Mary. I'm really tired. I had a very long day, please.
Is that all? Is that a yes?
Mary. Go to bed, please. I don't want to talk about this. Please, I'm really tired.
So,
What time is it? It's past midnight.
I know.
For a responsible married man to come home to his wife.
Okay, you know I'm tired. I need to rest. Not this. What do you expect? No. What do you expect? Since I can't have peace in my own house, I'd rather go out there and chill with friends. Because your quest for material things is alarming. I am tired. Yes.
So because I asked my husband for money, just small money to do something, you turn everything into quest for material things.
Maybe you go get yourself a job, earn your little money and take care of yourself. Huh?
Today, 570,000 naira is what I'm asking you to give me to buy the jewelry that I want to buy. And this is what you're saying, Ndudi. It's not as if you don't have the money.
I don't have 570,000 naira to give. Yes, I have a big project going on. I and Felix, my friend, are putting a huge amount of money in that same project to make sure that things goes well. And you're here asking for 570,000 naira. It's not a common change. I don't have it to give. Thank you.
Hi. Babe, are you okay? What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Nothing, and you like this? No, for real, tell me. What's wrong?
Nothing, it's just I've been thinking about us.
About us? What about us?
I have decided to stop driving Keke.
What?
I want to stop now. For you.
Oh, wow, that's good news. Listen, it's not like I want you to.
I took the decision myself. I thought about it carefully.
Wow. That's actually a good one. Huh.
But you don't think it's going to come without any condition? Because it is coming with a condition.
Fine, tell me whatever it is. Whatever condition it is. Let me know. I'm ready.
I want to go into another business immediately. I cannot stay idle.
That's not a problem. That's exactly what I've been saying all this while. Huh? So tell me, do you have any business plan in mind, or you want some time to think about it?
Restaurant business. I want to sell food and drinks.
Food and drinks. On one condition. If you want to do restaurant business and drinks, the drinks must be non-alcoholic.
I agree.
Fine. Seriously, I am overwhelmed. I'm happy. I'm proud of you, darling. Okay? Listen, I want you to sum up what this business is going to cost you. Everything, including the shop rent. I will take care of it. Huh?
Thank you.
Thank
you, my husband.
Wow. Yes. My darling wife. This is a wonderful news. Huh? You just made my day right now. As a matter of fact, I want to show you how happy I am. So let's go upstairs to the room and have a good time together. Come. This is good. Come on.
What?
Come.
My darling. What are you doing? Let me see. Alright, please, let's go upstairs. Let's go and sleep. Alright?
I'm not going upstairs to do anything. I like it here, so allow me to be here. Please.
Of course, you can like it here, right? You're not going to be comfortable here. Please, don't hurt yourself. Let's go upstairs, please.
Onyoma, see why? Since when did you start caring about me? Since when? Please leave me alone now. I thought you say, I'm not a good wife. I nag a lot. I love material things. All I care about is money. I love money. Allow me now.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I said all that out of anger, right? Please, let's go.
Out of anger, right? Okay, now I'm angry. So allow me to cool down my temper. Because I'm not going upstairs with you. You've gone outside to go and enjoy with all those your kiri girlfriends. Those dwarfs that you keep out there. Please leave me alone. Leave me.
Ruki, you're not quite alright that there is no woman. You're just making this up. Look, I may be everything you might probably be thinking I am, but you see, womanizing, stealing, that's one thing I will never do in my life. Alright? Shut your mouth, please.
Please leave me alone. What is it? No, you think I'm a fool. So all these things you're saying, I should believe you. You think I don't know? A guy cannot guy a gayoyo. But a gayoyo will always guy a guy. So you cannot guy me, oh. You cannot guy me at all. But please leave me alone.
You know, I was just looking out for you. Alright? I didn't come down here for you to bring insults on me. Yeah? If you want to sleep here, go ahead. Good night.
Yeah, Mama Jeremiah. Ave Maria. Nonsense.
Like no all those 419 shit.
No, this is into this house. It's still your husband's house.
Do you know the business her husband does? Eh? You know very well that this organ harvesting business, that's what is raining now. Me, I don't want problem. I don't want any issue.
Can you be optimistic for once?
Okay.
Eh?
No problem. Anyway, let me call my brother first. I'll have to tell him if anything happens to me, they will hold you responsible. Because I don't know this place. Eh? See the way the building even looks.
Kobe, nobody is harvesting your organ, oh?
No problem. Let me call Emeka first, yeah? No problem. Hello, Kevin. Please, me and Mary, we are at number 3, Churchill Street, behind Government House. We went to see somebody. In case you don't hear from me again, please come to that place directly.
Where's my husband?
Mary, is this where you brought me? So you brought me to an organ harvester, Abi? Now I know your plans. No, you want to sell my organs for 500,000, right? Thank God my happiness, I've called my brothers and tell them where I am. If anything happens to me, they will hold you responsible. You can't do anything. Nothing will happen to me because I'm a child of God.
Shut up.
You see? A fellow woman like you is telling your husband shut up and you are standing here doing nothing. Hey, Mary, shame on you. Shame on you. Hi.
You know, I do not expect anything more from a man like you. Look at your wife. Crying. This woman wants the best for you. But what does she get in return? Callousness from you.
Forget all these tears you are doing. Those are crocodile tears. I care less about it. Should be you. So it's you.
Oga, you are in my house, not your house. I will not tolerate any form of rubbish from you. In fact, Mary, please take your husband and leave my house. I am no longer interested in doing business with him. Take him out.
Please help us. Please ignore him. Help us for my sake, please.
Hey, Mary, just look at your life. Look at how useless you are. If you are begging a fellow woman like you. Just look at how useless you are.
What has come over you? Why are you so stubborn?
Mary, as much as I would love to help you, I cannot deal with this, your husband. Because me looking at him, trouble is written all over him.
Be a woman, just hold it there. Just hold it there. I don't even need your job.
Please, help us, please. For my sake. It's me, it's me, Mary. Please help us.
Just take this man. Take him out of my compound. I cannot entrust my Keke in his care.
Yeah, I don't need your Keke. Mary, basically, you see who you
take this man out!
If you have done the right thing, you will be begging for ordinary Keke. I do the right thing, you will say no. And you brought me here to embarrass myself. Sometimes you forget I'm a BSc holder. And I can for that matter. When you embarrassing me like this.
Oh, have you seen the money I sent to you? Check.
Baby, you did everything.
Exactly. So, get the jewelries and some other things you'll be needing.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, baby. Baby, you know if you're doing like this, we won't be fighting. I won't be stressing myself.
Exactly. You're not stressing me.
Right?
Don't just keep praying for me. Once I keep getting money, I'll keep spending it on you.
You know I'll always pray for you. I want us to be like the Kardashians.
Exactly.
We'll be traveling,
Rolling.
having fun
Rolling.
with my man now. Like I didn't working now. Let me working, no. Just nego the show working now. Working raging now. Baby, thank you so much. Kiss me.
Alright, I'm off to work.
You're off to work?
Yes,
No, baby, you can't go to work like that, too. I made something sumptuous for you. Let me go and bring it.
No, don't worry. I'll be having a meeting by 11 o'clock and I'm running late already.
Baby, you mean you want to go without eating?
No, don't worry. I'll drop something on my way.
Kiss me. Okay, baby, see you. Let's Hey, now you are talking. This is it. We okay, we'll take Gary. With this now. Girls are talking. I will be looking so fine. I can't wait. Yes. Let me call these people fast, so let them send my jewelry. Eh? Are you happy? Are you happy with yourself? See what you did there. You just ended up washing your dirty linen outside.
Who washed our dirty linen outside? Eh? How will you be there and that woman is insulting your husband like that? You can't even do anything. How did you even ended up with a woman like you?
You know what your problem is? Pride. You are too proud.
Moi.
Igobike, bring yourself down so that God will lift you up. Are you the only man that has ever lost his job? Are you? Eh?
So what?
Please stop letting it get into your head.
What do you mean? You're trying to call me a madman or what? I don't understand. What do you mean?
Stop acting like one.
Be careful. You don't have to talk to me anyhow.
Igobike, respect yourself. You're outside. Respect yourself.
You're talking to me. You're talking back.
Respect yourself. My love.
Yes, darling.
This is bigger than I expected. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
My love, I'm glad you like it. I'm also confident she's going to run it very well. Eh?
You can trust me on that one now.
Of course.
Business as usual. Thank you.
You're welcome, my
the
love.
best husband in the whole world.
Thank you. You can say that again and again. And you are the best wife ever. Okay? They are taking care of the employment agencies.
Oh.
Okay. Yes, they are taking care of the employers. Okay?
Thank you.
Yes. So let's go inside and see what's going on in there.
Where do you think you're going to?
Yes, my father's house.
You're going to your father's house. Why didn't you go since? Now that you've turned old cargo already, that's why you want to go to your father's house. Who will look at your face? See you.
No problem. I'll go.
Come on, pack all this thing, pack all this clothes.
Leave my clothes. Okay, leave my clothes. Leave my clothes.
Unpack this thing.
Okay, give me my clothes. Give me my clothes.
You're going home. You're still my wife. It's not you want to go to your house. Why didn't you go to it?
Okay, give me my clothes. Okay, open this door now.
What's on your mind, bro?
On a more serious note, my brother, you know for a fact that nothing brings joy and happiness to a man than having a woman who compliments him. A woman who he can actually inculcate the things he do into. A backbone, a helpmate, a supportive woman.
Are you saying all of this because of Nchedo, my wife? Bro, you know how far we've gone. You know how we got to where we are today. You can recall how I used to come to you for advice. Trust me, bro, marriage will humble any man. Any man.
My brother, mine is on another level. My wife does not want to do anything. You need to see her face today. You need to see her face this morning until I sent the money she requested for. She became happy automatically. Yeah? Am I going to continue living like this forever?
I think you should talk to some close friends or family members to talk to her. How about that?
I don't dare. Because she will never listen. She's not this type of woman that likes material things, jewelries, high-ranking things. She's not going to take advice from anyone.
All right. Now, Ruki is a classy woman. She likes jewelries, she likes hair, she likes classy things. So have you ever thought of talking her into such business?
Talking her into what business? Me? If I try it, that girl is going to liquidate me. She's going to use the money I'll give her on herself. She will spend all the money on herself, all the money taking care of herself. I will not try such a thing. I will not. Bro, I'm beginning to think that I may have missed it after seeing your wife today.
Oh, come on. If not, you can still fix things, I believe. All right?
Fix what? I have done my best. I have done everything within my powers.
Keep trying, bro. Keep trying. Let's get out of here. All right?
Let's go. It's alright, I don't want us to fight anymore, okay? What would I do to make you change your mind? I don't want you to leave.
Well, I've made up my mind. I want to go.
Babe, I promise you I'll do everything humanly possible to make you stay. I promise you, I want to see you happy. Just tell me, anything, I'll do it.
Take the Keke. Or look for something else to do.
Okay, fine. If I should take the Keke, promise me you're gonna stay, right?
I don't get it. I'm not asking you to take this job for me. I want you to do it for yourself. Do it because you're a man, you need a job, you need a source of income. Not because of me.
It's alright. I don't want you to keep worrying. I promise you I will do everything to make you happy. I don't want you to leave. Babe, please.
You're sure?
100%.
So we'll go for the keke tomorrow.
Sharply. First thing tomorrow morning, we'll take the offer, okay?
Okay.
Deal.
Yes.
Welcome to my office, Ricky.
Oh my goodness. Your office is beautiful.
Can you sit?
I must commend your husband. He has a great taste. Take a look at this place. Oh my God. I know this place would have cost him a fortune to put everything in order.
Well, I'm glad you love it.
I love it. I love it. Just the way I like it.
Okay.
Yes, my darling.
You haven't changed at all. Still looking so stunning.
You can say that again. You know, the only change I ever want in my life is a positive change. Yes, my sister. I don't want to suffer myself. It's just like you. You know you're everywhere. Businesswoman, hard-working wife. I don't want to do that. You know what I want to do with my life? I just want to be in the house, eat food, good food when I want it. You know, sleep when I want. Go for shopping when I want. Order my things online. Travel. Vacations. You know, soft life. That is what I want.
Rookie.
Yes.
Rookie.
Yes.
Same rookie.
Mm?
Never change.
You can say that again. You know, I was uncomfortable with your former lifestyle. Yes, that was why I wasn't coming around. I don't understand how a beautiful black beauty, Melanie Poppy, would just, of all the businesses, you chose Keke business. I don't understand. What are you thinking there? I don't understand. That is what you chose to do for yourself. How could you? So me, also John Benson, I ran for my life because I don't want to be associated with that kind of lifestyle. No, not me. Not Rocky.
Well, individual differences. You don't have to like what I do. Same way I may not fancy some things you do, but I am not going to stop you. That's life.
You're right. Yes, you are. We're different people. But thank God you're here. I mean, this is it. I will always come around. You'll be the one chasing me away. Because every day I am here. 9 to 5. Thank you, my darling. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you. So tell me, what business are you into now?
Nchedo, what? Like, you don't get it. I don't have time for all this business, start, stress myself. I don't want it. If I have the kind of money I want now, if you see my skin, please stop telling me about business. I don't like it. Don't say that to me. It's not my thing. I'm into content creating. You know it, right? I go on live on TikTok, social media, post pictures, make money. Yes.
Well, that's fine. So, what do I offer you? Something to snack on?
To snack on?
Yes, because I have to leave you for some time and get back.
Okay.
Give me snacks.
Snacks? No, I think food is better.
Who do you have?
Oh,
I'll be right back.
I'm waiting. Oh. Time to make videos.
Miss Ibe, you here? Please come. Well, let's see what you have.
Oh, sir. Here. We have a deficit of 2.4 billion naira, sir.
Lagos and Abuja branch inclusive, yeah?
Yes, sir.
That's too bad. For the past 2 years, that's been terrible. I needed to get to the secretary, have her set up a meeting for all stakeholders and heads of departments. We need to find a way to avert all of this. We need to find a way to change how we've been doing things. Because the old way of doing things have not been yielding results.
Yeah.
So meet up with her right away and set up the meeting today. Get back to me.
All right.
Good. Millie.
This is not good.
Yeah. This is not good at all. I don't want our investors to get scared. So we need to look for a way to avert all of this. Besides, we have competitors. They don't know to see how weak we are. I plan to take a loan to sort the deal with the minister because the company don't have enough cash to fund that.
Yes. I think taking a loan is the only way out. I have applied already, and it's in process. You know, business generally in this country is not fair.
Yeah. Especially transportation business like mine.
Yeah, yes.
The December period used to be our peak. But last year, we had issues after we bought 200 buses and we had less customers. I think it was the hike in price of gas and fuel.
And again, the insecurity in the country, it's alarming. And that is why I didn't bother going home during Christmas. For the fear of unknown. It's terrible.
I need to go and see Mr. Labi. Are you coming with me?
No, I'll be having a meeting with a client by 2.
2. It's almost 2.
Oh.
You have to run now.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Good luck.
Alright. See ya.
Good luck, bro. This is bad.
My people, I'm actually in an office. I want to buy a property. So I will keep you guys posted on how my day went. Okay, bye. I need to go now.
Your food is served, man.
Look at this idiot. You must be very stupid. Did I ask you to come in? You don't talk. You don't know what is courtesy. Did I ask you to come in here?
No, ma'am.
Say sorry, madam.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Better. You said my food is served?
Yes, ma'am.
Served where?
Restaurant, ma'am. Restaurant, ma'am.
Restore what? Are you mad? So, take a look at me. No, take a good look at me. So, almighty Rookie should go down to the restaurant to eat what? Eba. With soup? Is that what you want? No, you don't know the damages you're going to cause me. If the vendors that I buy things from online sees me and capture it, it will be all over social media that almighty Rookie is eating Eba in a local restaurant. Oh God. My village people, they send you. No, they send you make you come destroy me. Abi? I don't blame you. Idiot. Pack this your big bum. Go downstairs and bring my food upstairs now.
My mother will not accept that, ma'am.
Look at this hypocrite. Are you demented or you're deaf? That you didn't hear what I said? Who is your madam? She's my friend, right? If she asks you, tell her that I said you should bring food upstairs. Be fast about it. Come back here. I hope my food was made under a hygienic condition.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? When you get downstairs, sanitize your hands. Wash the plate, rinse it with bottled water. Dish a fresh food and bring it up. You can make away with the one that you dished before. You can even bring the warmer or microwave to, place it here. I can be microwaving it while I eat. Get out.
Use your tongue and count
your teeth. Look at this phone. I don't know why Nigerian will just employ big bomb everywhere.
Fashion woman.
Rubbish.
Materialistic woman. We all got, get your money. On your letter. Fashion woman. Spending money. Materialistic woman. We all got, get your money. One year will leave. Fashion woman. On my letter. Materialistic woman. We all got, get your money.
Madam, good afternoon. Madam, what of your husband?
My husband dey mechanic since today. Since morning. The Keke they give an issue.
Your husband dey mechanic since morning?
Yes. Even yesterday, my pastor gave him money to go and buy Keke parts. So he took it to the mechanic since morning. We've not eaten since yesterday. Even my baby knew baby. Don't finish. We just dey manage.
Okay. Tell Abraham say I find him come. Just tell him like that.
No problem.
Food is life. I'll be coming here video. Are you crazy? No, I mean, are you stupid? Did you lose your memory?
No, ma'am.
No, you lost it. Because I know I made it clear to you that you should learn courtesy. Don't barge in on people's privacy like that. What the hell are you doing here?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Sorry for your stupid self.
Do you need anything?
Of course. What soup do you guys have down there?
Afang soup, oha and draw.
Go and pack everything. Portion it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
With plenty meat. Did you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, go. I hope your madam is going to take care of all this because I've been trying to transfer 10 million naira to my sister, but the network is messing up.
Yes, ma'am. My mother said we should give you anything you want till she returns.
Oh, very good. Nice. That is how it should be, you know. Okay, go downstairs. Bring a small stout for me.
I'm sorry, ma'am. We don't sell alcohol here.
You don't sell alcohol here?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, big juice. Hurry up. Don't spot my shop.
She's always hustling on your mind. She's a Keke on your feet. She's always hustling on your mind. She's a Keke on your feet. Any available work, she gonna do she know the shame. Any available job, she gonna do which kind wife be this? She know the shame. She no get time for fashion. She no get time for makeup. So she She dey hustle for her. She dey no get time for fashion. She no get time for makeup. I'll be very supportive if you go. She dey hustle.
Is this not my Keke?
You walk waiting, you chop. You walk waiting, you chop. See who go now. Hey, you walk waiting. Madam, now you.
Abraham!
Hey, madam. I say my just gone supervise. Now my younger brother say my just gone see him.
You are mean!
Madam, no, I know so you see him. I feel explain.
Explain what? Oh, so you think I don't know how you spend my money? Eh? Don't worry, there's no hiding place for you. Every day for the thief, one day for the owner.
Madam, no be so. I just go see my younger brother. He invites me, so he go give me one bottle. I say, man, can you step down?
Abraham!
I don't use your money buy him.
My money? For 3 weeks now, you have not given me shit. My money, and I want all of it. All!
Madam, I never work. Now I never work. Keke be no good. I've been there mechanic for 3 weeks now, so I never work. But I promise you, Madam, no carry him now. I won't carry hustle now.
My money!
I won't carry hustle pay your money. Wait, not like me.
Abraham, I said my money and I want it complete.
Madam, I don't get any money for you. She not there with me. Father not there with me. And I get children for house what they feed now. I won't carry you. Madam, this is no change what they manage now. What's the man?
Madam, you never pay me.
No, shut up.
Hold on, we go pay you.
And this money was in my carry hustle. Feed my children for us now. See, madam, don't be so now. Madam, have your doing best. I just allow me to one time. I'll feed you. Come. Come with me now. Madam, wait now. See, madam, don't care. Don't use it. Man, just pay for the meat to chop and the drink. Madam, no best. Come leave me now. Leave my madam now. Madam, no best. Come with twice. Fuck. But come on, be our take. You them mad. Come leave me. Madam, no best now. See, madam, I don't plan to run you street. I'm your loyal guy. I don't think that I might just step down. I might just step down small now. Madam, no best. Hey, madam.
She's always hustling on your mind. She's a baby on your feet. She's always hustling on your mind. She's a baby on your feet. Any available work.
Hello. Yes? Oh, this is Princess's mother, yes. Her school? Okay, I'm coming now,
She no get time for fashion. She no get time for makeup. So if she dey hustle for her. She dey no get time for fashion. She no get time for makeup. I'll be very supportive if you go. She dey hustle for herself.
Do you know when your madam will be coming back? She said in an hour's time, and it's over 2 hours.
No, ma, she didn't tell us when she's coming back.
Oh, really? Yes. You know what? I have to be on my way. I want to get to the bank, to try to fix my app.
Okay, ma.
So tell her that I got an urgent call. Okay. All right. Be a good girl and keep learning. Bye.
Thank you.
I can explain. It's not what you think, my love. I can explain.
I wish you know exactly what I'm thinking right now. What the hell is the meaning of this?
Please just hear me out, my love.
The stupid man I gave my 30 is taking it for granted. He was not even waiting for the first minute, so I had to take it from him.
We talked about this. Why do you go about town disgracing me like this? Why? Are you not tired of embarrassing me? Are you not?
We can talk about this, please.
Princess, get into the car.
No, don't worry, I'm here now. You can go back to the office. Let me take her home.
What? Take her on what? No, hey, stop that. I'm not letting my daughter in that.
Money like say, money na water. You dey spend money like say, money na water. We yoga, fashion woman. Onye leche, materialistic woman. We yoga, they chop money. Onye leche, fashion woman. Spending money, materialistic woman. We yoga, they chop money. Money wale fashion woman. Materialistic woman. We all got, they chop money. She dey chop money, oh. She dey chop money, oh. She does.
Hello? Yeah, what's up, babe? Oh, sweetie, I'm so sorry about that, but look, I'm having a busy day. I just got off from meeting and I'm starting another one in the next 30 minutes. Please call the mechanic, I can't make it. Honey, like I said, I'm having a busy day. Alright? Please call the mechanic. Okay, where are you at this point? Let me call the mechanic to come and meet you there. Okay then, if you can't wait, just get an Uber that will take you home. Lock the car, maybe later Shola will come and pick up the keys, fix the car, bring it back.
Princess, I need you to go upstairs and freshen up and then come down for lunch. Okay?
Are you two going to have a fight?
Oh no, princess. Let's just say Daddy and I are going to have an adult conversation. Now go.
Alright. Go ahead and explain.
I went to see Abraham. I was on my way to his house when I saw my Keke parked at a bar. He was spending my hard-earned money at a bar. I was angry. I had to take my Keke from him. He lied. That man has been taking me for granted. For 3 weeks now, he's not brought my money. So, I took my Keke and I was on my way to the house when Princess's teacher called.
And so you went to pick up my daughter with the Keke?
It won't happen again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, His Royal Highness.
Please excuse me.
My one and only husband. My one and only love.
It's alright, fine. Can I go back to work now?
Just like that. I said I'm sorry now.
I hope you know why I do what I do. I do not want anything to happen to you and Princess.
I get it. So now, can you smile for me?
Goes around. I'll see you when I come.
See, listen to me.
Listen to me.
You're not going upstairs. You see, you will do that thing I want today. You see that car? You must change it.
I don't have money to change any car.
You don't have money to change my car. No, you want that car to kill me. Then you go and carry a palms people and carry a day. You go and bury me, God forbid. I will not die.
Go ahead and run for all I can. I have no money to change your car. Money is the one you have.
You're lying. You have money. You're just being stingy. How can you be stingy to your own wife? How? I went to see Chedo today. I went to her shop today.
Tell me about it. Come on.
You need to see everywhere.
Yes.
Money is smelling everywhere. You need to see the shop. Her husband spent so much money for her. I ate a lot of things though. I ate and made sure that I got tired before leaving. But you, what do? Nothing. If I ask you for chicken money, problem. But see your friend.
You know what your problem is?
See your friend, eh?
Your greed. Your envy. You also envy her hard work. Her determination to make money. To invest. Just this morning I gave you 570,000 naira for jewelries, and here you are asking me to change your car. Change your car while you still have the car you're driving. What's wrong with your car?
A lot is wrong with the car, and you know it. You will change it whether you like it or not. I
don't have money.
Okay. You have money.
I don't have money.
You're just being stingy.
You're here to talk about Nchedo. Nchedo is a wonderful woman.
Please.
Nchedo is worthy of emulation. A supportive woman. Respectful woman. Obedient and submissive woman. You're here to talk about her. Have you ever seen Nchedo requesting for expensive things? Have you ever seen Nchedo pushing her husband to get jewelries for her? No, she will not try such. Rather, she will invest the little she has. Even the car her husband bought for her, she invested it. She is doing so many things. Businesses everywhere. You're here to talk about her. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Do I look like an investor to you? No! Did I read investment in the school? Do I look like investor to you? See, if you like, compare me to Nchedo from now till tomorrow. We are not in the same category.
Out of my way.
Yes, we are not. Let me tell you, I'm giving you 3 days. 3 good days. If you don't buy that car for me, you will. If you lay your fingers on me, I will call Banza. That home, they will give you, they will offer. And take it to Gatuga. Stupid thing. No, I look like Nchedo. Nchedo that does not know fashion, that doesn't even know anything. Always looking like a stupid fool. Anyway, I was like their money. Now, she don't want to enjoy it. So me that want to enjoy it, you give it to me. You will give it to me, Yama.
That's actually the problem. Money is the problem. I just want to sit back, hope, and pray for a miracle to happen because I don't want to take any loan from any bank. Yeah.
Anyway, let's say I have 25 million naira sitting idle in my account. You can have it.
You have what? God, please. Stop that expensive joke. What kind of please that? You joke with everything.
Look, you married a millionaire, Mr. Felix. You don't know?
You're telling me you have 25 million naira in your account. That's a lie.
Yeah.
That's a big fat lie.
Well, I actually have more than that. But that's what I'm willing to spend.